Hey guys, so this morning we are going to meet our host Anne, who's going to show us some SOBAAN cooking. So it's Korean home cooking. We are going to be making 3 different dishes. One is going to be a mushroom bulgogi, so that's going to be super yummy. She's going to show us how to make kind of like a classic veggie bibimbap. And then at my request, she's going to also show us how to make these, essentially it's like Korean noodles in a cold broth. So I think that you guys will all really enjoy it. It's in the morning right now. We're going to meet her at the station, and then she's going to drive us around. She's also going to show us some markets before heading back to her place, and then we're going to be cooking.
And one day I thought, yeah, why don't I open one?
Yeah.
And so I asked my mom, and what? You teach cooking? How? So I said, I'm gonna learn anyway. So I went to the cooking school here for 6 months, and then I got the Korean chef license, and then I got more confidence.
Oh, amazing.
But still, market, and in the past this was a bit dirty, so people didn't like to come, but we have only a few traditional markets left in Seoul. So Seoul Metropolitan Government wanted to promote this kind of market, so they modernized it, made the parking lot outside, even delivery service from the traditional market.
Okay.
So it's a lot cleaner and convenient than before, so now many people come here.
Okay. So will Koreans go to kind of this type of market every day, or do you go to like supermarkets? Or
More people go to supermarket.
Yeah, nowadays.
Because we have only a few here.
Yeah.
For you with mushroom.
Okay. Yes.
So when we make the seasoning for bulgogi, we will use this.
Oh, amazing.
This is soft tofu, and this one she's making here, and this one is same. Can you guess what these are?
That's the soybean paste? No?
Looks like, but no.
No. Oh,
Maida?
acorn.
Yeah. So after we get the acorn starch, they add water and then boil it. So when we eat it, we slice it, and so we eat like a spicy salad. Dalle. These are both dalle, different kind. This one is a bit spicy.
Oh, and can I ask you, what is this?
Oh, this is really great. We can get this. This is called nangi, only in springtime.
Oh, yay! It's pretty cool because we're walking around the market right now. So Anne is just showing us like every little produce, especially because it's springtime right now. There's a lot of different produce, and of course she knows a lot of the different vendors here. So I was just asking her what this particular green was. So she was like, "Oh yeah, let's just get one, and then we could just make a small pancake with it, just out of the blue." So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing now. Oh,
yeah. She's making a lot of different kind of pancake, and this is zucchini pancake, and pollock, and mung bean, and so that one is I think a potato one.
Oh,
so we grate potato and make pancake with it.
Is this crab, Anne?
Yeah,
is
crab.
Okay.
The red
So
one is
colorful.
crab. And this one, outside, do you know perilla leaf?
Mm-hmm.
We love perilla leaf. So they fold it into half. So in between, they mince beef or tofu and make seasoning. Mix it with seasoning and then stuff it in there. And then they fold it into half and make pancake like this.
Wow.
It's great too.
Amazing.
No, it's all kind of tree branch and root. Have you had the ginseng chicken soup?
Yes.
Yeah? When we make ginseng chicken soup, we use this spiky one and the thin branch and then white long root over there and then boil it with the chicken. Because the Chinese medicine, this kind of Chinese medicine get rid of the bad smell of chicken. It's really good for her. And we also add ginseng as well, fresh ginseng.
It's healthy.
Oh, so many sweets.
요거 하나 넣을게요. 네. There's so many rice cakes because nowadays people are busy, so no time to cook in the morning, so they just buy rice cake and eat it as breakfast. Have you had the tteokbokki in Korea?
Yes, yes.
That is a rice cake. They make tteokbokki with. I think they just made it soft. But if they dry it outside for a few days. When miyeok is dried, it's hard. But when it's soaked in the water, boiled as a soup, it gets slippery. So if we believe if we eat slippery miyeok soup on exam day morning, we are gonna slip. So when we fail an exam, instead of saying I failed that exam, we say I ate miyeok soup on that exam. My daughter took college entrance exam last year, so I never cook miyeok soup no matter whose birthday it is for 1 year. Superstition.
So funny.
It has protein and is salted, so it helps fermentation of kimchi. Usually we make fish sauce and fermented shrimp together to make kimchi. This just made one is really good, and this one is one of my favorite too. Do you know this? This is the same seaweed.
The rice batter or the...
They they just the raw one they spread it, and then after they make sticky rice porridge, they spread it over it, and then they dry it. Then spread it again, dry it again, and then they fried it. So it's good.
Crunchy.
Try it. Really
You want
fresh.
some?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
No. If you go to Korean spa, there's my grandma used to make this at home from scratch. But nowadays, people just buy soy sauce and bean paste from supermarket. Hello, I'm Anne from SOBAAN cooking class. Today we're gonna make bulgogi, bibimbap, and corn noodle. But for bulgogi, for vegan option, we're gonna use mushroom, shiitake mushroom.